Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Mtori promise Mary. Mtori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale siqosa saka Jesu. Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Angry when we call the Gold Sevens a polo.
Because it's not a polo.
Would you get angry?
I wouldn't get angry, but it's not a polo.
But like,
Gold Seven.
we don't know the difference.
There is a difference. That's why you guys should learn. I don't
have to learn. I don't want a Golf 7.
You cannot call a Golf 7 or Golf 8 or an R8 to say it's a polo. It's not a polo.
But it looks like one.
I'm a polo. Ilawa hamba bo Chrissy.
Polo
in shop.
No, that's so cute. Does he have a polo? Chrissy, why don't you tell me you have a car? No, he's so humble.
Very humble. He's nunus.
He's nunus. Hi, guys. How are you? My scat, I go around asking couples questions. I'm just going to ask you like 5 questions. I do couples quizzes. When did you guys meet? How long have you been together? What do you like about your man? Etc. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
5 questions only. We can take it down to 4.
Right.
Kaibo guys. Kaibo guys. Do I look like I bite? 3 questions, okay? We'll take it down to 3. Is it fine? All right, guys. Is Sonderland, come closer to me. Come closer, come closer. My skirt, stand on my left, please. Okay, love, name. Come closer, love. Let's just get off the road. Okay, name?
Dineo.
Dineo and?
Lungelo.
Lungelo, how long have you been with Dineo?
Sihlangane nini ngo-April ngicabanga ukuthi la ko 7 months nje. Yeah.
Okay, Dineo, where did he meet you?
Sihlangane nje emall.
Guys, niyazihamba imall.
Hey, yasazahamba.
Okay, what's the first thing that he says to you?
Ubeweza bekumuntu like ozaki mafuna inamba like sicela ukazana nje kanjalo.
What? Oh, okay. And how long was the talking stage before he actually made it official? Because he says you guys have been together for 7 months. So was it official immediately? It wasn't.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Okay, it's fine. Do you guys trust? What is it that you love about your woman, Utineo?
No, indlela nje akayona naseswami. Umuntu onenhliziyo enhle kakhulu.
And?
Yeah, unenhliziyo enhle kakhulu.
Please takaloko.
Yeah, enye into nje ngithanda ngaye futhi ulo muntu nje ngithi mangabe ngimfonela ngimthola ngaso sonke isikhathi.
So uyamthemba?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba.
Iyathembakala.
Yeah.
Okay, love, do you trust him?
Yeah, yena ngiyamthemba.
Okay. Right, so come closer, Nunu, come closer. I want to tell you guys what we do on this show. We basically make couples switch phones. It's basically a loyalty test. So you go through each other's WhatsApps.
How uthe ubuza?
I lied.
How?
I lied, Dineo.
Amafoni angesikwazi sisi.
Our phone?
Yes, I.
Would you be okay with switching phones? Okay, we'll check his phone got Dineo.
Hayi angicabanga ukuthi lokho kuzobe into right.
So you trust her that much? You don't want to check her phone?
Hayi siswami. Yabona manje suzana into eziningi.
Thank you, Dlamini. So our phone is on the phone.
Hayi ngi right man.
Okay, my skirt now our phone is on.
Hayi mina ngi-right.
What if Dineo was cheating on you and she has blessers and stuff, etc.?
Angicabanga ukuthi ngaba kanjalo wapi.
Sondela, why do you guys keep moving? Siyayiwalka Sondela. Yes, ethetha ke.
Angicabanga ukuthi ngayenza lonto le because umuntu engithemba lo.
Umuntu amazosi 7 months my skirt, you don't know that person.
No, siswami. Yabona le amafoni angifuni usiqhubeka naye.
Yeah.
Kodwa hayi mina nginankinga ke.
Awunankinga wena ungacheck phone.
Ngikhombise mina ukuthi ngumuntu onjani.
Okay. But Dineo?
Mina ngiyangikwazi ke masambe.
Okay, let's check his phone. It's fine. Let's check his phone first. Come closer. Okay, Master, can I have your phone, Nene? Sorry, you said your name was? Lungelo. Oh, please open it. Thank you. Okay. Please go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you.
Okay. Kuvela mina. Yeah.
Okay. Delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Missed you. Kusavela mina.
I can see that. Okay, delete. Type babe.
Hi, kusavela mina.
I can see. Yeah, it's Ana Lungelo. Delete. Type mama.
Angeke uzubone lutho vele siyabona ukuthi uchichela isikhathi.
But what?
Mama.
Nothing. Okay. Delete. Type outside. Let's see who is fetching.
Okay. Hi, akuveli lutho.
Okay. Type last night.
Akukhabi lutho sis.
Okay. Type thank you. Let's see who is doing favors. Come closer, love. There's a car.
Still akuveli lutho ngisho siqedile.
Type test.
It's no results.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant.
Huh?
Yeah. Delete. Type morning after pill. That's the last one.
Okay. My class is up now.
Clean. Give your man his phone. Danella, it's your turn. Lungelo, after she checks your phone like that, at ever not pregnant, you don't want to check her phone. After everything she's done to yours.
Mana simusampela wami nje ngathi
Uthe sibheke ifoni yakhe yami.
Are you hiding something, Danella? You are hiding something, ne?
Nervous yami akukhona into engifihlayo.
But you checked your man's phone, so it's only fair that he checks yours.
Kipe yakho phela sibone.
Danella, please, ngasenzeli lonto son. Ayisahambi le couple. Hey, Dams. You're so bored. Yo, anihamba bafethu. Yo. Okay. Okay. Go to her WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, type love you. Okay. I don't see anything dodgy. Okay, delete. Type miss you.
Ayi.
Nothing. Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing your woman favors. What do you see?
Unothabo.
Hey, Angel, go into the chat. Dineo, sibona izinto apha.
Akunalutho lapha.
Bani uThabo?
UThabo akunathabo lapha, angimazi.
Enganangu nje obhaliwe.
Angimazi mina uThabo akunathabo lapha. Yiphi into enjengani?
Go into media, see the pictures. Hey. Sibona izinto apha yayiruza.
Asifana. Akunalutho lapha, akunabutho.
Masing mina ngiqala manje lo Thabo lo ngiqala ukhuluma ngaye.
Hayi uThabo i-cousin yakhe.
So wakhe wachita on you with uThabo.
No, yasuthi lo sisi wenza njani sisi lo muntu? Wathi lo Thabo lo umuntu ade bejima naye bonke.
Oh.
Ubemsiza mangabe kujinywa.
Hayi cha cousin nami loya kungamuntu ongisizile.
Do you want to call Utabo? Simfonele.
Asimfonele.
Masimfonele. Do you know the pictures you are sending to Utabo?
Man.
They're not nudes, but they're sexy. Too sexy.
Ish. Ngifuni.
Let me see. Utabo uthi ndoni? What's Tabo to you?
Uthabo cousin yami.
Cousin yakho.
Eqaleni wathi umuntu usiza uthi nangabe ngijima.
Cousin yami.
Hold your drums. Hi, am I speaking to Tabo?
Hola.
Hi, Tabo, how are you?
Scraps.
Tabo, asingithe
Yebo.
Ubalo ngikhuluma.
Ukhuluma noLungelo. Wena uThaba ngithi.
Yeah, ngithabo mfethu.
Udine uyamazi.
Yeah, ngiyamazi umuntu wami lo.
Hawu, wena Kanti ngithengeleni wena manje ngivele lidlulu so.
For how long?
Please.
Yeah, how long?
Enganwasho.
Okay.
Uthi ngimbuze sicela ukulesi phone.
3 years. They've been together for 3 years.
Sentenda nesikhathi kanani?
Umuntu wami lo.
3 years.
Ngana lapha sis.
Enganwana wathi lo muntu eqaleni umuntu bethu ujima nawo. Manje sewinto njengoba usihlanjelana ethombeni so enenzani?
Hey my sister, wenzalani lapha?
Senzana nawe mina ngizani nawe mina yikho into.
Yes, Dinero, uyangiphika.
Uthi
Angizani nawe. Angizani nawe. Nangu umuntu wami la nginaye la. Ayikho into enye.
Ngana. Ayina 3 months mina.
Ayikho into enjalo.
Lavi, please come down.
wathini?
Dinero,
Ngicela ifoni yami.
Ongeke.
Ngicela ifoni yami.
please give her a phone.
Ufona kama Simba, le phone yathengwa imali yami.
Lungelo.
Ifoni yami ngicela ungiyeke bhuti. Ngicela ungiyeke.
Phone yakhe Dlamini.
Ukhulumani?
Is this her phone? Is it
Ifoni yemali yami le.
phone?
Manje awile.
Ifoni yakho le?
Ifoni yemali yami. Wathi ngithenge nayo nemali.
Yami
Ifoni yemali yami.
Dinero uzothenga umuntu wakho.
Bheka izinto azenzayo yini?
Hayi.
Iyona indlela le ngibonga ngayo.
Lungelo, this girl doesn't love you. She's not apologizing. Yabo.
Ngiyatshela ukuthi ngiyazidanga.
Ungenza silima.
Dinero, come here. Come here, Dinero. Come here.
Alwa ulelani.
Why are you leaving and not apologizing? You're not explaining.
Ngiyatshela ukuthi cousin yami lo muzi lo.
But Tabo said something else.
Efana nani? Ayikho into enjalo.
Uyisha yes.
Uthandana noma uthandana nothando.
Wisifebe wena.
Hayithi ngihayi.
Wisifebe.
Hayithi ngisifebe.
Teta, we know you cheated. What's missing?
Ngithanga.
Ulungela into anganayo that Tata Tabo.
Awuna sisi.
Nayo nki.
Wena yonke le.
Utabo nayo yonke. Like what?
Akakuningi intangi.
Wena sisi
ngayo.
wasala.
Intoni? Money, bed, the bed.
Nje uyabana.
Wasala.
Indaba yakhe.
Uyabanda phi ebhedini? Ulungela. Okay. Imali yona.
Wisifebe.
Uyangipha mara imali encane.
Wena sisi nawe.
Lungela uyayiva?
Uyasikhathini.
Lungela. Uthi uyabanda ebhedini and you'd give her little money. Did you hear that?
Wisifebe.
And uthi
Angisihambulana nawo onke amadoda.
Utabo
Nandizwa.
yonke into.
Uthaba umupha yonke into.
Let me stop fighting ne? For a woman who doesn't love you. Calm down. Uthi uyabanda ebhedini and you give her little money. Calm down. What are you fighting for? You understand?
Ngifuna inwele zami lezi esekhanda.
Uyangikanyela.
Stop inwele Dineo.
Ngifuna inwele zami.
Ngitshela uzithenge ngani? Azithenganga imali yakho le.
Uthenga kaThabo.
Ikhulumayo. Ayi
Uthenga imali kaThabo.
Wesisi ngicela ungikhiphele umuntu lento esekhanda.
uyangithengelayo.
Dineo iwigi kabantu iphethe.
Imali kaThabo le.
Ngathi ayingeyakhe.
Imali yakhe.
So okay. So awuzoyikhulula le wig.
For in angiyikhuluma.
Imali yami.
Iyahlala imali.
Ifoni yona Dineo ke.
Hayi uyini?
Tazethu.
Uyinja. Uyinja wena. Ufana nengulube.
Ela kuhamba.
Uyingulube.
Ayo kwami.
Okay. So, I'm sorry, my scat. Please calm down.
Vele kudala ngapha.
Uthi kudala ngakufuni yami.
Sonke lesikhathi ubenza slim.
Akudala ngakufuni be. Hamba.
Akasekhohla ke lidineo. Where's his cap? Yo! Lungelo, I'm so sorry.
Iphi phone yami?
Ina Dlamini. Give him his phone. Give me phone yakhe.
Ngifuna ifoni yami bekule njalo.
I'm sorry.
Bheka ngiyabuya futhi ngiyamfonela azongilanda. Sala lapho ngifonela.
Uyayiwena. Wazana.
Fonela umlanda ngifonela.
Hey.
I'm sorry, love. Come closer, Dlam. Let's just close the show. I feel so upset. I don't feel too good.
Wena ngizokubamba. Ngizokubamba.
Oh, Dlamini. Let's just close the show. You know, I think Ishman girls are so cruel, you know? Like if you don't want Umdu, why don't you just break up with the person? Why stay with the person and string them along?
Always say the same.
Because look at how she's reacting. She's not sorry. She doesn't give a shit. Doesn't give a shit.
Okay.
And Udibana, she's been wanting to leave.
Exactly.
Hey, well, why are you wasting? Exactly. Why are you wasting a nigga's time? And he's investing in you. He's buying you a phone.
Oh, in fact, I'm sorry to say this. I don't know if it's igama lika Dineo elinenkinga or it's you.
What?
Oh.
Dlamini, why would you say?
No, what I've noticed ukuthi most of the time it's Dineo. If it's not Balisa, it's Dineo.
No, don't lie. It's the first time I'm hearing of Dineo. It's always Balisa and Bali.
You know when she said Dineo, my name is Dineo, and I was like, no, usenkingini.
You know what, Dlamini? I'm tired of you.
Tired of me? How? Because I said, we just started. We just arrived.
And let's close the show.
Let's go.
All right, CMTV viewers, it's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and of course follow Dlams.
Welcome _Dlamini 88 on Instagram, TikTok. It's welcome Dlamini, Facebook. It's welcome Dlamini. Follow. Danko ngiyabonga.
Bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be yaseqhebekha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi ebudlangana nje nanokhamba.
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.